Welcome to the tutorial for Salt Lake Community College's All Access Virtual Desktops by OIT Training. What is All Access? It's a free service at Salt Lake Community College for students, faculty, and staff providing a virtual Windows desktop that is preloaded with software programs. It runs on Windows operating system, Mac operating system, Linux, iOS, and Android. So what do you need to make this work on your computer? You download a small client called a Citrix receiver, install it when you first log into All Access on the web. And after that, you'll be able to reconnect without going into the web version of All Access. This is also the tool that you'll be using in the Salt Lake Community College computer labs to access your network drive and files and work with the applications required for your coursework. Now let's log in and get started. We open the browser and go to allaccess.slcc.edu, use our username and password, and click the Log On button. The Citrix receiver detection will come up, and if you have not downloaded this before, you'll need to click to agree to the license and click Download. The download will begin. You will click Run once the download has ended. The installation will then progress, as you see on the screen here. It may take several seconds. And then once the installation is successful, you will add the account. This is only done the first time. You put in the server address, which is allaccess.slcc.edu, and then you log in with your username and password. Notice there is a prefix for faculty and staff and students. The Citrix Workspace will open the All Access dashboard. You'll see a variety of virtual desktops and applications available to you here. If you click the star, it will put any of the desktops or applications on your favorites list. The main desktop that most of us use is the SLCC desktop. You just click and it will launch. It's going to verify all the setup information that you just went through and open that Windows desktop on your machine. It's including your network profile information, so that means that you'll have access to your H drive and your I drive, as well as a few others. Now here, first off, is our desktop tips. So each desktop is going to have a help file, and you can get to it by clicking on the question mark. Then there is an SLCC online folder that has some very popular connections there that you might need to use. We've included Kumo. Kumo is a cloud storage integration program. You log in with your username and password. It will also have faculty and staff authenticate via Duo. And then you'll have the ability to bridge, so to speak, your files and folders with this virtual desktop. So file shares can be SharePoint files, can be a variety of things, or Google Drive and OneDrive. Any of those you can authorize to connect here. Once you've done that, they'll be available for you as a drive on that virtual desktop. Now, how do you go into the virtual desktop after this setup? Just simply click on the Windows icon to go into your startup menu, and you can choose from those favorite desktops. They'll be listed there for you. And you can always drag and drop them, on the taskbar as a link. So anything else that you might need, please contact us at the help desk. Go to our website, support.slcc.edu. Check our knowledge base articles to see if there's anything that can help you further. And thank you for attending this tutorial.